Khobor like kam bamta kasni kajing like kam apo High Court of Meghalaya. Advertisement date Shillong 23rd June 2022. Don ki post ki balai te ki ba don ka eligibility criteria ki la aban apply. The name of the post stenographer grade 1 level 16 South Khandai Hajar level in pay matrix. Eligibility criteria kada bachelor degree from a recognized university with diploma in stenography. Piap don ka diploma in stenography pilala ban apply ya kaneka stenographer tang nam tagi garo junior administrative assistant 9 khandai tali ki post kidon level 10 life san hajar spa tekane bade bachelor degree from a recognized university with knowledge of computer. Piap don ka bachelor degree any bachelor degree wat piap don ya ka knowledge of computer. The unreserved category, any other skill tribe 1, kasi jengtia 3, garo 4. Temne la da mention benma la kajong nam ta ki unreserved kare shipus nam ta ki we ki skill tribe mo ki bade ni ki we ki jela kade shipus te mut ba lai pus nam ta kasi jengtia bat sau pus nam ta ki garo. Phiap nya kun kasi ki hamya kun kasi jengtia tang kata ka lai pus. Bat kate ka shipus unreserved. Te tang kan pila ban apply nam ta kini gue ba you te kon so balai junior grade translator Hindi level 8 kane tang sipus lai pojar lai spa ka tulop te graduate with Hindi ni don kami ki bala pas Hindi language as the degree level with diploma certificate course te tang ki ba don ni kata ka Hindi ki la ban apply kon tang sipus on reserve and computer operator sipus kaneru level 7 Ar praja sospa atulom te bachelor degree from a recognized university with diploma certificate in computer. Kanero tangi garu kane. Only garu. Ma dap tong tu only garu. Number of reserve on reserve category ada mention lupa ma pila man apply tang. Ka number 3 ka number 2 bat kini kiwe beda tangi garu ma. And Mali ru tang sipus tang nam tai garu for garu only SSLC pass from a recognized board with knowledge of gardening work only for Garo candidate. Submission of application. Candidate submit their application strictly through online mode by clicking on the online application icon. Te sobha bansa lej hakane website mo click online mo kane ga website www.meghalaya.highcourt.nic.in. Application received through any other mode shall not be accepted. Klamla ban accept igno nagi mode tang ka online mode te pila ban apply. For candidate applying for the first time through online mode, a one-time registration. Pihaban registration shuaning kong, kibarang apply thamai, kimempat jumlin ban apply, tihaban register shuaning kong, gitu ki post by you, then sa pulih ki instruction ki bela ai hapoka, web page, mapla play yang tu hapoka page. The last date of receiving online application is on 23rd July. Apply telik jong July, kan last date tek nang don bhaga por bana pandap, tesa apply ki badon neka kriteria bala ban apply. Candidate who have already registered with the recruitment portal may log in. Kibla ada register, ki should log in by direct. Non kam syuk ban register mo. Mar kalong kombalong MPSC la ada register lupa syuk pendabek non kam syuk ban register mai. Kalong kom tai. Kom ju I apo High Court. Payment for online application. Te kiman non kam man siu. Fees for set for general applicant kre saus pak tingka pat 6 taki and 200 rupees only for child caste child tribe. Te ars pak tingka 6 taki child caste child tribe. Candidate may pay using the following mode. Laban siu digini po ATM com debit card, issue with State Bank or net banking, cash payment at any branch of SBI using e-challan. Hakinu lagi SBI menukam lagi e-challan. May also pay by cash pila ban siu dekat pisaru at any branch of SBI. For cash payment using e-challan, select capan lek lagi itu kidon gimanang tesap pen sanlek iktahi sapulih hi mapi ya kena you. Department candidate may submit their application through proper channel and such. Okay. General information. The candidate are to read information strictly given on the website. Sapulih bahan apa ke website. Akan mau ke last date kena apply 3 Julai. Menurut kaman I TADA. Menurut kami okay itu. Tang itu hi. Te tang kini gijing pemna. Te kibadon jika eligibility criteria. Sa apply no. Kalau select apa ke website. Ada mention hang terjerong www.meghalaya.highcourt.nic.in. Thank you.